This is applying the Rapid Cure spray just from a weed sprayer. A little demonstration of what the Rapid Cure spray does. As you can see, my hand is clean. If I touch the wall, comes off, clean hand, touch the wall, doesn't come off. You don't have to use the Rapid Cure spray. It actually, you can do a coat per day. Some jobs we need to get in and out in the one day. So if you do the wall floor join with the Geo, give it a light coat of Rapid Cure spray. Hour later you can spray the whole wall, and then after lunch you can spray another coat and the Rapid Cure spray followed by that. Rapid Cure spray run down the wall, so you don't want to touch your brush back on that until all of the water is evaporated or dry. If you do touch your brush on it, it'll just go hard, and you'll have to throw your brush in the bin and grab a new one. Now we've got the commercial Rapid Cure sprayer today. If it does rain, it won't wash down the drain. It'll be cured.